what's up? Simi here. Today I'm going to be introducing a beautiful 3-in-1 interesting lamp that will truly light your room and your mood. Mastio Light of Qi. It's not only just a lamp but also a Bluetooth speaker and a wireless charger. How is it? Let's take a closer look. First, let's get it unboxed. The moment you see the packaging, you will know this is a special lamp. Mastio Light of Qi. On the back, it even has a poem from a famous poet from the Chinese Song Dynasty. 园林初夏又清香 The garden. Yes, you better use Google Translation for that if you are interested to know. Anyway, let's see what's inside. Open the box, we see the user manual. It has several languages. Then the charger, no worries about it, as they will send you the corresponding adapter according to where you are located. Then is the Light of Qi lamp. Wow, that's an elegant lamp if you don't light up. And once you do, you will be amazed by how it looks. The base of the lamp embeds a 5-watt wireless charging pad, a stabilized steam controller, and a charging indicator. The beautiful LED main body is supported by a true design stand and wrapped by a complete sheet of veneer. On the top is the play pause button. We'll also get to see the volume keys and the Bluetooth indicator. The design, I've got to say, is one of the most beautiful I've ever seen. It looks minimalistic and elegant. The unique Qi design lets me feel I'm close to nature again. If you don't use it, you can just put it there as a piece of decor. And when you want to use it, it's not difficult. If you want to control the brightness, just slide your finger over the stabilized steam controller area, or just touch once to turn on or off the light. There's a special mode that I haven't seen on other lamps, which is the Good Night mode. You hold down the stabilized steam controller area for about 3 seconds to activate that, and the light will be turned off automatically within 30 minutes. And if you want to enjoy some music before sleeping, you can. Press and hold the play button for 3 seconds, it enters Bluetooth mode. Go to your device's Bluetooth list, find the Mastio Light to pair. Wait for a few seconds. When you hear the sound, then your device is connected to the Mastio lamp. And if you want to know the watt quality, here it is.
The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
That's it, you will get familiar with it after a few minutes, even the first time you are using it. There are several reasons why I can easily recommend this Mastio lamp. First, of course, is beautiful design, and you can use it for many different scenarios. The yellow warm light that emits from the veneer making it not only a lamp but also a decoration. Like for me, I'm a videographer, I can always use it like my product shooting background light and makes the whole video vivid and sharp. Or if you're a normal user, you just want to use it as a lamp, then it's a lamp. You can use it as a bedside lamp for reading or as an ambient light for relaxing, and then you know it's a speaker as well. You can enjoy your favorite music with it. Second is the build quality and overall usability. It weighs about 1.7 kilograms. Not very heavy for a lamp, but it feels very solid, and the most weight lies on the base, so when you put to the table, it will not move easily. It's very intuitive to use and it's practical. You can use it to light, to read, to listen, and even to charge. What kind of lamp can do that? Alright, that's the video. If you are interested in this lamp, you can find the link in the description. It's definitely a major go if you want a lamp for yourself or even as a Disney gift to someone. What will you do with this beautiful lamp? Let me know in the comment section. I'm Sammy and we'll see you in the next one.